Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where to search if you want to rent a car in the LATAM Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the hotels and cars button. And then click on the cars button. So first you have to set the pickup location. So just type in the airport. And then you can tick if you want the return car to the same location. If not, then you have to set a drop-off location as well. And then you have to set the pickup date as well as the drop-off date. And you can also set if you want your driver to be between 30 and 65, but that's optional. And then just click on the search button. And it takes a couple of seconds to find the deals, but here they are. So now you can just search for the best option for you, and if you click on any of them, then you will be able to see more details, the price, as well as some features of the car. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.